everyone, this is Matt with Pursuit Physical Therapy, and today I'm just going to show you a very simple exercise for tight shoulders. All you need is 2 tennis balls and your body. So what you're going to do is get 2 tennis balls, you're going to lie down on your back, and then from here, you're going to put the 2 tennis balls right between your shoulder blades. And you can do one or both, but it's just a very simple exercise. So you'll place 2 behind your shoulders, you're going to lie down. And this takes a little bit of adjusting, so you might have to move the tennis balls around. You don't want them on the bone, you want them right between the spine, right between the shoulder blades. And you're just going to basically press down very gently. Now you can press your shoulders down towards the earth, or if you'd like a little bit more, you can do a yoga-like stance called bridge pose. You just place your arms alongside you, you lift your hips up and your belly up, and your back is naturally going to sink into the tennis balls. And from here you can move up and down a little bit. You can move to the left and right. You will know when you're hitting the right target spots because there's going to be a nice little release in your lower back and in your upper back. But you just hold this for about 3 to 5 breaths. And one more deep breath. And then as you exhale, you lower down. And then just take the full exhale. And then you can roll to either side to come out of it. But then from here, all you do is just to reset, maybe do a couple shoulder rolls one way and then a little twist from left to right. But this is a great way to relieve tension in your neck, tension in your shoulders. This will also go all the way down into your lower back and your hips because everything's connected. So for more tips and help like this, hit like and subscribe. I'm Matt with Pursuit Physical Therapy, and I will catch you next time.